like a present. Is it your birthday, girl?
So we're here at the venue kung saan surprise namin si Jude.
Sila pa yung video.
Hala ka! Ayaw niya, nahiya siya tuloy. Lagot ka.
Mr. JD Surprise! Happy birthday, JD! Wow! Here is, ladies and gentlemen, clap your hands for Mr. John David Pullman! Yes, this is his first birthday party to you, Mr. JD! Once again, everyone, clap your hands! Once again, happy birthday, Sam Harrison, everyone! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Ladies and gentlemen, once again, isang pumasikapong palakpak ng January birthday salon, Mr. JD!
It's on me, ladies. Gon' get it if you want it. It's free, ladies. Feel good when you're rolling with me, don't it? We here, we just had to believe on it. So glad we never worried about the shit they say.
Hello JD! Happy silver birthday! Wish ko lang sana good health, lahat ng pangarap mo makamit at sana huwag kang makakalimot sa Panginoon, and salamat, hindi mo kami napapabayaan, pati mga kapatid mo. We love you, I love you. Sana huwag kang magbabago.
Biggest flexes that my team the same. I started from
Happy 25th birthday, John David. Wish you all the best. God bless you. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
love y'all so fucking much. Don't mean to get emotion. You know me and Patron. When you've been through the most, you gotta do the most. So take it to the head and touch your toes. Yeah, bitch, we bout to go. Is it your birthday, girl? Cause you looking like a present.
Happy birthday, tol! I love you.
Celebrate it.
Happy birthday, John D!
Make a wish 11:11. Is it your birthday, girl?
Happy
Let's
birthday, Kuya
celebrate
JD.
it. Clap, clap, clap. Do it with no hands.
Mga babae, anong pangalan ng grupo? Power Pop Girls. Apat na pala yung membro ng Power Pop. Kayo po, ang pangalan ng grupo? Foreman. Kasi foreman. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ano ang susunod sa tatlo? Go!
Sigaw!
Ayun! Ganon. Pag nabuo na kailangang sumigaw. Dahil ang tamang sagot ay apat. Ano nangyari sa inyo? Ganon po ang ating laro. Okay, kailangan pong maibuo. Kailangan tumalikod at talikod kung kinakailangan. Okay, so get ready. Eto na. Alam na nilang laro. Umpisa na natin with our first round. The question is, unang tanong ay, ito ay sinusuot ni Darna kung baha. Go! Sinusuot ni Darna kung baha. Ayun! Ang tamang sagot ay sinusuot ni Darna.
We don't got no man, we don't want no man, we don't
Happy
need no
birthday,
man. We gon' block
Kuya
these calls
JD.
like all day. We ain't stalking nobody on a fake page. Better make way. Shit, I started from the bottom with my hoes. Love y'all so fucking much. Don't mean to get emotion. You know me and Patron. When you've been through the most, you gotta do the
buhay.
most.
And salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta sa family ko, sa Tanamal family, sa Figueroa, mga barkada ko Enriquez family, and of course, mga suppliers, sound system, mobile bar, glazing table, catering, and of course, the host. And lastly, of course, thank you so much kay Giselle. Hindi ko expected to. Akala ko magkakape lang kami kanina. Actually, tagal na ako nagdududa kasi tinatago niya laging cellphone niya. Nakasunayan kung chine-check. Sabi ko, nalalaki ka na yata. Duda ako ng duda. Yun pala, nakahinga na ako tonight. Ayun, thank you so much and have a good night.